Hello happy people, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm wordpress, and if this is not your first time, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to protect your website from hackers and bots out there. And it's very important to protect your website from hackers and bots so that you can have healthy website and Google will love your website. So the plugin that we are going to use is called Wordfence, and you'll need to go and install the plugin and activate it. So right now we need to get the license. So let's go and get the license, and we'll select the free version, and we rather wait. So here we are going to put our email address. So I'm going to put mine, and then I've read no, I don't want that, and then register. Alright, so I'm going to locate the license on my email address. So I'll open my email address. So there's an email from Wordfence. And then I'll install my license. Okay, and then we install the license. Alright, so we have successfully installed our license. Let us go to dashboard. And then there we go, we have a walkthrough, Wordfence. I'm going to ignore that. Alright, so this is important. So they are asking, Wordfence is asking if you want to auto update the plugin, and I think this is very important. I'll agree to that so that my plugin will stay up to date. So I'll dismiss that. And from here, the first thing that I like to do with Wordfence is to go to my login security. I think this is important. And from here, I like to turn the two-factor authentication. So you'll need to go and download an app on Google Play Store called Google Authenticator. So I'll try to show you the app here. So Google Authenticator app, it's on Google Play Store or Apple, I'm sure. So this is the logo of that app. So go and find this app on your app store or Play Store and download it. So I already have mine. And to do that, I need to scan this QR code. So I'll scan this QR code on my phone. Alright, so I've just scanned that app on my phone. From here, you put the 6-digit code that the app has generated. So in my case, it's 559943. And this code changes almost every 30 seconds. So there we go, and I'll download the backup. My two-factor authentication has been turned on. So let's go to settings. So under settings, I'm going to turn this to required. And then I'm going to give a grace period of a day because I'm the only user in this website. And then I'll allow remembering device for 30 days. I'll allow that. And then let's go down. Alright, so another thing is this one, reCaptcha. Allow me to open this website on incognito so that I'll show you what's going on there. So if we go to incognito, you can see how our login page look like. We need to activate that reCaptcha feature so that it will fight against the bots. So to do that, let's go to our website. Alright, so we need to enter the site key and the secret key. And where do we get that? We get that from Google reCaptcha. So let's open our Google reCaptcha. And then we go to admin. Alright, from admin you can add a new website. I've already added that website. Alright, so from here I'll select the website, which is that. And I'm looking for those keys. So to find those keys, we need to go to under settings, and here are the keys. So I'll open this, and then you copy your site key, go back to your site, and then you put your site key right here. So we need to check this first, and then put our site key right there. And then the other one was the secret key. I'll copy that, and then we put our secret key right here. And then let's save this. Alright, so now let's go back to incognito and refresh. Now you can see that we have the reCaptcha protection from Google, which is good. Alright, so we also turn on the two-factor authentication here, which is good. Then I'm going to show you what happened when we log in. Alright, so let us look at other options here. Let's go to firewall protection. Let's manage firewall. So under firewall, we'll need to go to advanced and then look at those options. Everything has been turned on for us, which is good. We need to check the brute force protection. So here it asks us log out after how many login failures. So I know that I'm only an admin on this site, so I'm going to make this 3 times because like really I'm not gonna forget password that many times. Some people will try to go and click on, let me show you that feature which is here. To exploit this feature, they'll just click on lost password and try to recover your password so that they can lock you out. We are going to protect ourselves against those kind of people, and then here we'll say login attempts for like 2. So I'm kind of strict. Count failure over how long? Then I'll say 5 times. So I'm making sure that this site is strict. So logout user after logout user for two months, and then logout invalid user immediately. And then the other options have been turned on for us, and then the rest we can leave as it is. So let us save changes. Alright, so our brute force protection has been set on, and also two-factor authentication has been turned on. So now I'm going to log in using incognito, and then it's going to show our site is at the moment. So let's go to here, and then I'm going to refresh. Alright, so I'm going to put my username and password and then log in. Now you can see that Wordfence, it requires two-factor authentication, and we have also enabled this option that remember for 30 days. So for the next 30 days, if you put your code right here, you will not be required to enter the two-factor authentication. So that's how I protect my website from hackers and bots out there, and make sure that your website is protected. So that's how I make sure that my website is protected from hackers and bots out there. So make sure that your website is secured and you protect yourself from bad players. So if you find this kind of content helpful, make sure that you like, subscribe, and click on bell notification so that next time when I release videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified.